On this special edition of Sea Glass Hunters, I'm going to take you all on a tour of the iconic Top Gun house from the 1986 Tom Cruise blockbuster movie. You'll remember this scene when Tom Cruise races his Kawasaki Ninja to go see his love interest, Kelly McGillis, whose character was Charlie, which I have a cat named Charlie, so that's kind of cool. The Top Gun house used to be closer to us, but it's still walking distance over by the pier. It was renovated and relocated to the Mission Pacific Hotel, where it's now a pie shop known as Hi Pie. We'll make our way over there and give you a little tour. Here's a photo from the restoration process. And who came to oversee that and bring his Kawasaki Ninja? Tom Cruise himself, that's right. Here's a picture of what the house originally looked like. Kind of like a crack house. It had gotten pretty bad, very dilapidated, tumbleweeds blowing. It was a sad reminder of how much time's gone by since the 1986 movie. This historic Victorian cottage was actually built in 1888 by Dr. Henry Graves. It's one of the oldest homes in Oceanside. The restoration was completed in May of 2022, just in time for the sequel, Top Gun Part 2. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for some pie. Let's head over there. The Hi Pie menu board out front. 3 pies for $9. They're kind of small, but they're delicious. They have blueberry, apple, and kiwi. Over here's the motorcycle, Kawasaki Ninja. Everybody gets on it and gets their pictures taken. And inside they have lots of antiques and old photos. Of course, the bakery in here where you can get an assortment of baked goods in addition to the pies.
I think I'm just going to get that 3 pie pack then.
Autographed Tom Cruise photos. I believe Kelly McGillis also signed some of these little movie moments on the wall there. There's the menu. Most of the desserts are around $5.
Or do one of these things look better? You want a whoopie pie? Yeah, you pick some. You want something different? You want a lemon bar? That looks good.
This is a little back dining area. They also have seating outside in the grass next to the house. Cool artsy cow they have here. Assortment of antique rolling pins. Really nice wallpaper, very beachy, seashells and whales and whatnot. This is the waiting area to pick up your pies. They call your name. But now for the most important part of this mission today. Getting on the Kawasaki Ninja. I had to do it. I don't look as cool as Tom Cruise, but... Well, that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the Top Gun house. Be sure to like and subscribe to Sea Glass Hunters.